find Cassandra Cain?
Still 7.
Thanks, Del. You're a peach. Hey, I know that guy.